Stop waiting for permission. Stop waiting for permission to change, mainly. Men, somewhere along the way, too many of us start waiting. Waiting until we have more money, waiting until we're retired, waiting until we slow down or life slows down, waiting until someone believes in us. You can't keep waiting because guess what? What you're waiting for is never going to come. It's never going to come until you take action. And here's the answer. First off, here's the answer and here's the truth. Nobody is coming to save you. Permission to begin is just not coming. All right. You need to give yourself permission because you're capable. You're capable of becoming. You're capable of doing the things that you need to do to move you to the next level, but you have to believe in yourself. And the first step in believing in yourself is taking action forward. So today is your permission. So, point one, your past doesn't need your attention every day. Whatever happened in the past, it happened in the past. That time is gone. It's time to move forward and do what you need to do. You need to learn from it. You need to respect it. You need to stop living there and start living here in the here and now. Your windshield is bigger than your rearview mirror. Look forward. Again, look at those side windows and make sure that your left and your right is good. And occasionally look back, but you look back to reflect, knowing that you're going to take that information that you learned from what happened in the past and apply it moving forward. Point two, build confidence through action. Build confidence through action. Confidence isn't something that you find. Confidence is something that you earn. Every promise you keep to yourself builds another brick in your confidence for you to move forward. Point three, replace excuses with decisions. All right, replace excuses with the decision to actually go forward. Instead of saying, I don't have time, ask yourself, what can I eliminate to make time? What thing is eating up my time that I'm not using my time wisely to move me forward? Successful men ask better questions. So it's time for you to eliminate those things that take away your time and start asking better questions. And then reclaim your time and do what you need to do to move forward. Point four, become your own standard. Stop comparing yourself to social media, comparing yourself to your neighbors, comparing yourself to other men, because comparing yourself to a man or to the man that you were yesterday, someone else or the man that you were yesterday, that's not growth. Growth is personal. All right. Growth is personal. So for you to go forward, you have to think forward and do things that are going to move you in that direction, the direction that you want to go. Understanding that there's going to be hills, there's going to be valleys, there's going to be some things that throw you off to the left, right. Terrain is going to change, all of that. But you need to move forward. So with that, the day that you stop waiting for permission is the day that you are rebuilding truly begins. This is Mr. Z Inspires. Please like, follow, and share this with anyone who you believe that it could help or someone that you believe that it could help. And follow us at www.mrzinspires.com. Again, that's www.mrzinspires.com. And other than that, you guys have a great day. Thank you and be well.